Imagine waking up to a reality where your money works tirelessly for you. Instead of hearing the clink of coins in your pocket, you're greeted by the sweet sound of dividends landing directly in your account. Picture a life where financial freedom isn't just a lofty dream but a tangible, achievable goal. This vision isn't out of reach. It's closer than you think. Retiring comfortably means different things to different people. Some may consider options like reverse mortgages, selling off valuable possessions, or relocating to a more affordable place. However, there's another path that often gets overlooked: living on investment dividends. This strategy can help you generate $2,600 a month, providing a steady, passive income stream. Stick around, as we'll explore 3 effective strategies to help you reach that goal. The secret formula. So, what's the secret formula for determining your ideal investment amount? It all boils down to your desired lifestyle and, of course, the numbers. While the average person spends around $67,000 annually, that figure might not be the right benchmark for you. Your financial needs depend on your specific goals, aspirations, and comfort levels. Now, let's add a bit of intrigue. Envision a life where your investments generate a consistent income stream, allowing you to enjoy life's pleasures without ever dipping into your principal. It's like having a secret money tree that continuously grows and provides for you. With passive dividends, the possibilities are both enticing and empowering. This journey is about finding a balance that aligns with your dreams. Take a moment to picture your future. Visualize the lifestyle you want to lead, then let the numbers guide you toward the investment amount that can turn dividends into your ticket to financial freedom. In this guide, we'll show you how to achieve a monthly income of $2,600, equating to $31,200 annually, through strategic dividend investments. Understanding dividends. Before diving into the strategies, let's understand what dividends are and how they work. Imagine owning a piece of a company by holding its stock. When that company earns a profit, it can either reinvest it to grow the business or distribute a portion of it to its shareholders. That's you. This distribution is known as a dividend. As a shareholder, you receive dividends based on the number of shares you own. Dividends can be paid in cash, deposited directly into your account, or reinvested to purchase more shares of the company. Companies have varying dividend payment schedules, but many distribute them quarterly. Now, let's talk about dividend yield, a metric that helps measure how much you're earning from dividends relative to the stock's price. The yield can differ from one company to another and even fluctuate for the same company over time. Generally, well-established companies offer higher dividend yields compared to newer, smaller firms. Calculating dividend yield is straightforward. Divide the annual dividends per share by the price per share. For example, if a stock is priced at $100 and pays $10 annually in dividends, the yield is 10%. This calculation helps you compare different stocks and make informed investment decisions based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Investing in dividend-paying stocks allows you to earn regular income without selling your shares. This means you can enjoy a steady cash flow while maintaining your investment portfolio, which is a compelling strategy for building long-term wealth. Strategy 1. Covered call ETFs. One of the fastest routes to living off dividends is through covered call ETFs. These specialized funds offer income from both stock appreciation and dividend payments. How does this work? A covered call ETF invests in a portfolio of stocks and simultaneously writes call options on those stocks to generate additional income. A call option gives the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to purchase a stock at a predetermined price within a specific time frame. When the ETF sells these options, it earns premium income, which is then distributed as dividends to investors. Moreover, if a stock's price exceeds the option's strike price, the ETF may realize capital gains from selling those shares. Popular covered call ETFs include XYLD, OILK, and EWZ. These funds often offer attractive yields, frequently in the double digits, significantly higher than traditional dividend stocks. Consider their 12-month trailing yields. XYLD, 11.83%. OILK, 11.82%. EWZ, 11.81%. The beauty of covered call ETFs lies in their ability to provide income from both dividends and option premiums, creating a more stable and reliable passive income stream. However, it's crucial to understand the associated risks, such as options expiring worthless or stock price declines affecting overall performance. To achieve a monthly income of $2,600 or $31,200 annually, would need to invest between $280,000 and $310,000, based on current yield levels. This is significantly more accessible than the $2 million typically required with traditional dividend stocks to generate the same income. By choosing covered call ETFs, one can reach his financial goals with a relatively modest investment, offering a path to financial independence without the need for an enormous capital outlay. Strategy 2: High-yield REITs. Another effective strategy involves investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate, such as shopping malls, office buildings, and apartment complexes. These entities earn revenue from their properties and distribute a significant portion of their profits as dividends to shareholders. For investors, several high-yield REITs are worth considering. Two Harbors Investment Corporation, dividend yield of 20.3%. Brandywine Realty Trust, dividend yield of 19.9%. Orchid Island Capital Incorporated, dividend yield of 19.4%. REITs have historically delivered strong performance, with an average annual return of 10.8% over the past 2 decades. This makes them a smart option for growing wealth while earning a steady income. However, REIT dividends can fluctuate based on rental occupancy rates and broader economic conditions. While they offer higher yields than traditional stocks, they also come with increased risk during economic downturns. To generate $31,200 annually from REITs, John would need to invest approximately $320,000, assuming an average yield of 10.8%. This figure could vary depending on the specific REITs chosen and their individual performance. A disciplined approach, regularly investing a set amount and reinvesting dividends, can help him achieve financial independence within 5 to 7 years. Planning is key. Understanding his income needs and long-term goals will guide him in selecting the right REITs and maintaining a diversified portfolio. One advantage of REITs over traditional stocks is that many pay dividends monthly, providing a consistent income stream. This feature makes them particularly attractive for individuals seeking reliable, frequent payouts. Strategy 3: Dividend Aristocrats. Dividend aristocrats are companies in the S&P 500 index that have consistently increased their dividend payments for at least 25 consecutive years. These stocks are ideal for income-focused investors due to their reliability and track record of steady growth. Notable dividend aristocrats include 3M, Leggett & Platt, Walgreens Boots Alliance. These companies typically offer dividend yields around 7%. While this is lower than the yields from covered call ETFs and REITs, dividend aristocrats are renowned for their consistency and resilience, especially during economic downturns. To achieve a monthly income of $2,600, John would need to invest approximately $500,000, given the average 7% yield. Although this requires a larger investment compared to other strategies, it's still significantly less than the $2 million needed for traditional dividend stocks with similar income goals. Diversifying across multiple dividend aristocrats can help reduce risk while providing a stable income. Choosing the right strategy. Each of these strategies, covered call ETFs, high-yield REITs, and dividend aristocrats, offers unique advantages and potential risks. The right choice depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline. Covered call ETFs provide high yields with moderate risk. High-yield REITs offer substantial income but can be volatile during economic downturns. Dividend aristocrats deliver consistent, long-term growth with reliable dividend increases. Combining these strategies can create a diversified portfolio, balancing risk and reward while generating a steady passive income stream. By carefully planning and investing wisely, you can turn his dream of living off dividends into a reality.